Hi, it's a random Tuesday at work. It's about maybe 4 or 5. No, it's not even 5 yet, it's 4. And I remembered that I have a YouTube channel and I could actually shoot something. So, this is basically like a small life update and probably why I do not have so much. First of all, I don't have a tripod, that's the first thing. That's one of the reasons why I've not been shooting so much content, but we leave excuses. But also another life update is that I started to go to school again and do a postgraduate, and I must say that adult education is actually quite difficult. Juggling work, juggling your personal life, juggling relationships, juggling now school is not the easiest thing to do, but your girl is handling. So I'll be shooting when and if I really can. I am hopeful that at least I can have one video every month or even more on some good months. I know I'm capable of shooting, capable of reading, capable of doing like all the good stuff at a go. I'm a good multitasker. So I pray that I'm able to do that along the way. But yeah, welcome to another YouTube video. If you are new here, hi, and if you are returning, what's up? My name is Awatlinette, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that every time I post a new video, you are able to see it. Hi, it's another day. Good morning. Today is a Thursday and it's around 7:10 now. I'm already at work. I've been coming to work early this week because I have a test on Saturday. So I come and spend like first 1.5 hours reading before like everybody comes in and it becomes busy and noisy and whatnot. So yeah, it's something I'm doing today. That's basically been my morning routine. Get up, prep something for Berkey or something to eat throughout the day, and then just pack and come. Yeah, so I would say this week I've really been such an early bird. Yeah, anyway, also just to note that adult education is not like the easiest thing out there. It's not. So if you don't give it time and like concentration, oh, my earrings are so cute. Yeah, if you don't give it time and concentration, you're in for a long ride. So you need to make as much time as possible. Yeah, anyway, let me get in. Have a good day. Hi guys, it's a beautiful Friday. About set off to go to work. And I'm trying to do my lip. My lips have improved by the way. The way they used to be peeling is... Guys, you know I love Fridays. It's because I get to dress down at work. Okay, by the way, our workplace doesn't have like a full dress code, but me, it's ingrained in me that I'm supposed to be smart, very smart, at least Monday to Thursday. Other people are not, but me I am. So I get to dress down on Fridays. I love Fridays so much. Do you all love Fridays? That's my symbol. I've got to leave. so rainy. Like, it has rained the whole of this afternoon. I really love it because the dust has also been quite a lot. So I'm glad that it has like really like rained so much. Like, I love it. It's gonna be cold, but it's okay. Hi guys, so I'm about to take a trip that I've not taken alone in a long time, and that's Jinja to Kampala. I usually go with a friend of mine, but today I am going alone, and it's scary because this part of the road I've never used, but I'm going. Yeah. I have nothing to do, but anyway, I'm going to try to drive slowly and literally just be as careful as I can on the road and get there in one piece. In Jesus' name, amen. I also secured chicken for my mom. Also at church we are fasting, so I can't even have it until it's 6. But I secured some chicken for my mom and some gonja, as I had showed you guys. So yeah, let's get the journey moving. Okay, so I've stopped over because it's raining. And yes, just pardon my dress at this point. I've stopped over because it's raining and I couldn't continue. I wasn't able to see properly, and also eat something because I almost died, guys. I literally saw stars in my eyes. So I've just, thank God I had the gonja here that I was even planned to take for my mom, but I couldn't because I had now, but mom.
Event. Running women pray. Speaks about the children of Issachar as this tribe that knew the time. God has called and given these things to every one of us, where we can come to a place where we will hear and know. Is still unknown.
And it's very frustrating to try and play God. Because it is reserved for God has not allowed anyone to meddle or to get into that is his space. But sometimes you do your part and then you also want to do God's part.
Hi guys, so it's Sunday. I decided to walk from church to go find where my car is. Yeah, and let me just say, Kololo is such a lovely neighborhood. Of course for the rich, but yeah, anyway, it's such a lovely neighborhood. Of course you can tell it's well curated, very quiet. There's a side of Kololo that's actually quiet, except the one that has like bars and all, but this side that I've walked in today is so quiet. This you guys are right, there's actually no one. Anyway, call forth neighborhoods such as this. Hi guys, it's a particular Sunday and I'm at school, but I wanted to open up a gift I got from church today. Yeah, my church gives gifts, guys. So this is it, Miss Lynette Award, and I already know of course what's there, guys. Ooh, it's a cup and it's so huge. I actually like the size of the cup. I really love the size of the cup. The color maybe not so much because white, you know, but like I really just love the gesture. So yeah, but to be drinking from King Church cup, it's so huge. I just love the size. Like, it's not those small cups. It's a cup where you put actual tea or coffee, and yeah, love it. Yeah, I'm about to leave school, guys.